Hello everyone, this is Kian. I am in Dubai. I just came here for a random weekend away with my friend. I'm staying in Intercontinental Dubai Marina. This video will be me sharing my personal experience and some of the hotel facilities along with my hotel room. So let's go to the room and see what the room looks like. In the bathroom, all of the amenities is standard Intercontinental. It's by Byredo or Byredo, and that's the room. This is the twin bed Marina View Premium. And outside there's a balcony. I think it's really hot, and there's a pool directly outside. We have a marina view. However, the floor is quite low. I think they have the guest room from 3 to 14th floor, and our room is on the 5th floor only. But I can't complain much, as I only booked the classic room and I was upgraded to this premium room. Housekeeping just came over for the welcome amenity. I checked in before noon today because I arrived really early. I don't think they had time to place the amenity in the room, so they came around 4 p.m. Here's a plate of fruit and a box. Let me open the box and see what is inside this box. Dates! I don't really know what to say. I was expecting chocolate, but I think it is very Arabic to give dates, and they seem to be somehow very interesting flavors as well. There's definitely pistachio and a different type of nuts, and I guess this is the original flavor at the right bottom.
I am breakfast. Breakfast here is very intercontinental. There are a lot of choices, but I just don't really like most of them. So I only got a selected few like over here. I have to say, in the Arabic world, they know how to make pastries and bread. They are all really tasty. So I highly recommend trying all of the pastries here. Coffee can be ordered through a waiter.
This is the last evening of me and my friend in Dubai. I'm on the balcony of my room, which has a marina view. Behind me, as you can see, there are a lot of night cruises on the marina. They look very cheesy, to be fair. However, I do like the view with all of the lights. It looks like Canary Wharf in London. Maybe I should have stayed in downtown Dubai instead of Marina. Marina does have a quite nice atmosphere and peacefulness, I think. After staying for 3 days and 3 nights in Intercontinental Dubai Marina, here's my personal experience of my stay. I really like the staff here, to be fair. They are quite friendly and proactive, except one person at breakfast one morning. She was a bit blunt and rude. Otherwise, I think it's all good. Valet parking was very good as well. I never had to wait for a long time for the staff to pick my car up and deliver to the front of the hotel. At breakfast, every time we ordered coffee, the order was taken properly and was delivered quite quickly as well, same with the omelette bar. And the same thing with service hotline as well. I asked for something and it was delivered in the time frame promised. The second good thing is location. I quite like where it is. It's away from Dubai downtown. I guess it depends on the person's preference. I quite like it here. It's quite peaceful, very beautiful view from my room, especially in the evening with all the lights and the small cruises on the river. And thirdly, I like how standard the hotel is. It definitely fits in the Intercontinental brand. Everything can be expected in this hotel if you've stayed in Intercontinental previously. Some bad things about this hotel is I think the general maintenance could be improved. By general maintenance, I mean the maintenance of the room facilities, such as the blinds between the bedroom and the bathroom. It was a bit broken, which could be fixed very easily and maintained on a regular basis, but it wasn't that way. And secondly, on the first evening when we took a shower, toilet area was flooded. I think it's because of the underground water draining system was blocked somehow. There's a drain in the toilet area as well as in the shower area. So I suppose the water just kind of flooded through, or the water leaked through the crack of the door of the shower area, flowing into the toilet area. And the drain was blocked in the toilet area, so the water was just not draining down. We had to call the staff over to fix it, but it was fixed, so that was good. Another thing is the pool can be quite busy in the morning because of the location of this hotel. The hotel pool area is facing the east, so afternoon, when the sun goes to the west, all of the sunshine would be blocked by the building itself, so there's no sun on the pool area anymore. And people love a sunbathing in the morning, so it's quite busy. But after that, it's pretty easy to find the sun loungers in the pool area. We don't mind not getting any sunshine, so it's okay. I suppose it would be very troublesome for people who enjoy sunshine but could not find the sun lounger, get some sunbathing. There are also some details I think the hotel could improve on, such as there is a hairdryer in the bathroom with a standard UK plug. However, there are no plug sockets in the bathroom. And it's kind of difficult to find a suitable plug socket in the room with a mirror nearby. There's one by the coffee machine, but it is very close to the tabletop and it's not very close to the mirror anyway. So yeah, I think the general detail thing might be just a culture of this country or this area. Every time I came to the Middle East, I never found anything was very detailed. Like, people are very proactive, but sometimes I think it's just definitely lacking the detail I expect from Japan. Maybe it's because my expectations too high. Those details actually mean a lot to me and would actually make me feel very impressed and memorizing the service I received. So that's all of my personal thoughts of this hotel. I do highly recommend this hotel. I enjoyed my stay. From the meals to the hotel pool to the gym, I used basically all of the facilities. So yeah, it was really nice stay in Dubai. Hope you enjoyed this video and my personal experience in Intercontinental Dubai Marina. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.